Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 69-inch Chaise sofa. This is a sofa, actually all boneless. So there is no assembly required. All you've got to do is unwrap it and it will unfurl itself to be a nice sofa that's actually got little springs in there. So we are going to get this thing undone and then we will check it out. All right, so this is all compressed in here. They do give you a nice little kind of scissors thing that you can cut right around the edge. That way you're not near the actual sofa. So we will get this thing up and going and watch it go. Woohoo, look at it go. All right, so this is actually gonna sit for about 72 hours. I'm gonna take this off and we'll take a look at it. All right, we've got this thing all unfurled. Now over the next 72 hours, this is going to plump up and be nice and big. Right now, the pillows are a little bit small, but this all has a nice Velcro on it, so the pillows actually stay right there on the side. Nice wide armrests, beautiful chenille. So let's let this thing a little plump up and then we'll check it out. All right, this thing has fluffed up and oh, it is like laying on a cloud. It is so comfortable. It's about 58 inches long here in the seat. The seat's about 34 inches tall. It'd be great just to sit back, read a book, super wide. So if you wanted to lay here with your kids, your spouse, whatever, that is perfectly fine. I love how all of this just comes off and it's zippered on this nice chenille fabric. So if you did need to wash this, you can easily do that. Put it Velcroed back on there so it stays in place. All of your pillows are all removable, so you can move all of those around. Whether you are laying down, cuddling up on the sofa with your pets, this is a great, versatile Chaise lounge to have in any space.